today I'm doing another Rubik's Cube video, and I got my other Rubik's Cube too. Been messing around with this. Why do this? Why do this? It only takes 16 turns, but still. Let's try it on this too. Oh, okay, good. Don't think this is a horrible cube, I'm just horrible at turning. Okay, let's do a review on the Rubik's Cube 3x3. And I can't really read that, but you guys know what that says? Oh yeah, the yupo. Damn, I'm so stupid. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys liked the review. Coming up, bye. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing yupo 2x2 versus, if I can get this lined up, solved. Okay, the Rubik's Cube 3x3. Who would win? Who thinks the yupo would win? Who think the 3x3 would win? I'm just joking, chill. I think the yupo would demolish the 3x3 for sure. Let's do this. There. Okay, so let's start off with the 3x3. It turns horrible. Turning. Let's start off with the 3x3 and turning sections. We'll be doing 5. I gotta come up with the rest later. It turns horrible. That's the fastest. Wait, that's fastest. It locks up too. Try this. Turns amazing. Okay. So it's 2 points to the Rubik's Cube, 5 points to the yupo. Okay. Ready? Next, corner cutting. Let's see, this is 1 degree. Barely even does that, God. It stops at 3 degrees. Like 5. Let's see this. 1 degree. Okay, so it locks up at 45 degrees. Let's get the Rubik's Cube. 1 point. And the yupo, 5 points. So the Rubik's Cube is up to, I think, I'll tally up it at the end. So. And then this next section, twisting corners. I can't twist a corner on this. Try it on this. I guess twisting corners you don't really need. Damn. Oh, phew. Phew, okay. Next. Number 4. Let's just go ahead and number 4. So, this was just end on number 3. Hope you guys like this video. This video is around this, not just alone. This part is like 3 minutes. I can see it right there. You guys can't see it, but I can show you it. Look, I'll take a screenshot. Okay, hope you guys like this video. This will end the video. Bye! Oh, it won't. Oh, bye!